In the US, we spend upwards of 90% of our time indoors, so it's important to pay attention to the products and systems we use in our homes. Particularly when installing a new floor, what goes underneath not only affects the life and performance of the floor, but also the air quality in the home. New floor installation requires the use of an adhesive to ensure the floorboards stay in place. Yet not all adhesives are created equal. Some can affect the safety and air quality of the home, leaving an intense smell to linger for weeks after the floor is installed. The good news is that innovations in adhesives have come a long way. Today, homeowners can request silane-based adhesives which are formulated to be safer for the home, compared to urethane-based adhesives which were the industry standard of the past. Bona, for example, carries a full line of silane-based adhesives that are low in odor and easy to clean and apply. In fact, Bona's adhesives are GreenGuard Gold certified for indoor air quality. GreenGuard Gold is one of the most respected third-party certifications in the industry, as it ensures that a product is acceptable for use in a range of environments including schools and hospitals. Bona adhesives are the only wood flooring adhesive in the industry to carry GreenGuard Gold certification. The safety of your home matters, and your floor is one of the largest surface areas in the home, so paying attention to the products you use, from the installation to the care and maintenance, makes a difference. Talk to your contractor or retailer and request Bona adhesives for a healthy home and for a beautiful floor.